Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Asad and welcome back to this Python series for everybody. I'm super excited to see that a lot of you have actually benefited from these videos, and I can see it from your comments and personal comments feedback that you're learning a lot in Python. One of the most important thing in Python is to make mistakes. Yes, that's correct. Writing a perfect code is just a myth. You will make mistakes, but being the best programmer is to be able to identify that error and to be able to correct it. In programming languages, we call it debugging. But before we go into this one, can I please request you to like, comment, and share, because your support will let this channel running and motivate me to write more videos, make more videos. So what is debugging? We'll cover three different kinds of error in this one. One is called zero division error. Other one is called syntax error. And the last one is called name error. Now, I'm assuming that you have followed my tutorials and you have an understanding of what a comment is, which I'm writing here, and what are the integers, float numbers, strings, and the multiplication of them, or any arithmetic operations. If not, please refer back to earlier videos so you have a better understanding of each video coming forward. So let's understand what does zero division error means. If you have any relation with math, you would understand that you cannot divide anything by zero, that is just infinity. So let's say if I'm writing a number such as this and say 7 divided by 0, if you do that in your calculator or if you do it in your real life, you would notice that you will get a math error in your calculator. This is because it cannot display an infinite number. Similarly, if I run this code in my Python, let's just try it, you would notice that I get zero division error, which means division by 0. So let's say you're doing a long arithmetic operator and then you forgot to write something here, such as instead of writing 10, you write 0, or for some reason or another, you wrote 0. Python will let you know that you're making a mistake here and you cannot divide it by 0. Let's pause the video and then give a try yourself by creating a variable where we saved on two numbers, one divided by another, and the second number should be 0. Go on, pause the video and try it yourself. Did you see? Did you get the zero division error? If yes, congratulations. If not, do comment on the video and let me know what did you get so we can discuss it and see why are you getting a different answer. If you got it, congratulations for this part of the video, and in the next part of the video we'll do the remaining two errors. Till then, thank you very much for watching, keep practicing, and bye bye.